Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school Chromebook as a monitor. First, understand that Chromebooks typically lack video input ports, meaning a direct cable connection like HDMI is not possible. Instead, we'll focus on software-based screen sharing solutions. Prepare both your primary computer and the Chromebook by ensuring they are updated and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth setup process. To share your screen, consider using applications like Chrome Remote Desktop, which is a free and reliable option from Google. Alternatively, third-party tools such as Deskscreen or SpaceDesk can offer more advanced features, sometimes even allowing for virtual display creation. Install your chosen application on both your main computer and the Chromebook. Ensure both devices are on the same local network for the best performance, ideally a 5 GHz connection. Once your chosen software is installed, open it on both devices. You'll typically be prompted to enter a code or accept a connection request to link them. On your primary computer, navigate to your display settings. Here, you can choose to extend your desktop onto the Chromebook, effectively using it as a second screen or mirror your display. Experiment with resolution settings to find the optimal visual quality for your setup. Keep in mind that using a Chromebook as a monitor via software will have limitations compared to a dedicated external display. Performance heavily relies on your network speed and the processing power of both devices. For the smoothest experience, close unnecessary applications on both your main computer and the Chromebook. While this method is a clever workaround, remember that a Chromebook cannot physically accept video input, so it's a software-driven solution, not a hardware one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.